So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Indiamart share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on Indiamart because we have seen back-to-back correction in the stock after the company has declared the Q3 numbers. So today itself we have seen 10% lower circuit in it, and currently it is trading somewhere around 4,500 rupees level. So we discussed about this particular stock way back almost a year ago when it was somewhere around 1200 or 1300. So more than a year, I guess. So that point of time the company was performing very well. It used to give some very good quarter result, and if you see the all-time high also is somewhere around 10,000 rupees level. But since past few months we are seeing back-to-back correction in it because the expected financials were not up to the mark, and many stocks which are into that e-commerce segment, we have seen correction in them. So nothing to worry, companies are good enough, but only thing is this is not the right time for these companies. So there is some other period we need to focus at the right moments, and we need to invest in these type of companies. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what can be the next possible targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we get into the technical charts of Indiamart, so we'll try to do the day-to-day wise delivery analysis. So if you observe on 25th Jan, we have seen 27.4% deliveries, and the stock has corrected somewhere around 14%. So after it has declared that quarter result, so when the profits revenues were not up to the mark, so you have seen a slight drop in them. Not a huge drop, slight drop was there when we compare to the financials. So that was the reason why suddenly the deliverables traded quantity basically has increased and percentage deliveries have decreased. So when these type of activity is happening, it is obviously a bearish situation, and followed by market is also not stable at the current situation because of the global market factors. All the stocks have corrected, so few have gone in the upside direction because of their strength. So that is one of the important thing. So here clearly we can understand deliveries are not up to the mark, traded quantity is increasing. So that's the reason we are seeing the downfall. So when I take you to the technical charts, clearly I'll show you a technical chart pattern, so which is clearly visible in it. So you'll get an idea why the stock actually is coming down. So quickly let's go to technical charts. So first we'll try to do the analysis on weekly chart, and then we'll go towards the daily chart. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts of Indiamart. So first we'll try to discuss in the weekly chart. So if you observe the weekly chart clearly, so I've drawn a very good line near somewhere around 7,000 rupees level. So where the stock was clearly forming a head and shoulder pattern. So what is a head and shoulder pattern? So head and shoulder pattern is basically a reversal pattern. So where we expect downtrend in the stock. So the stock, after having that breakdown from the trend line, it has done the retest, and you can see how it has come down. So that is the importance of technicals. If you had idea of technical analysis, you would have taken the right exit before this much huge fall. Right, so people who are asking me have clearly mentioned about this particular stock at the initial stages itself. So if you're having any doubts, you can contact me also in the Telegram. You'll find the number. Stay updated there. You can take the benefit and clarify your doubts as well. So similarly, if I come little bit down, I've drawn separate three lines for the support zones. So first one was around 5,300. So that also the company has given a breakdown. Second was 4,796. That also is gone now. So the last support is somewhere around 4,200. So current price is 4,500. So the next support is around 4,200. So you need to keep that particular level in radar in the coming sessions. So little bit of small retracement may happen because already the stock has come drastically down. So little retracement again, it may start coming down. right? So keep these levels in radar. So if you want to take any swing trade, focus this 4,800 and 5,400 as a very good opportunities for again shorting the stock from the high levels. So still this stock is not technically looking bullish. It needs its own time. So if you're already invested in it, hold it. We can't say in future what would happen. Business model is very good, no doubt about it. Only thing is that financials were not up to the mark. These stocks, especially e-commerce stocks, were in little bubble zone. So when it is in bubble zone, you need to be little cautious. You need to play in small amounts. You should not invest in heavy quantities. So hope you have understood what is the reason why this stock is falling. So one thing is financial. Second thing is a huge trend. Already it has given a huge trend, so now it is time for the correction phase. So these are the technical levels. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocksdiary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.